Yesterday, we have completed asset accounting configurations, and also we have created master data. Now we have to test. So the entire cycle we'll try to test. Like I'll purchase. After purchase, I'll run the depreciation. After depreciation, I'll try to sell the asset. After sale, so after I'll not sell, I'll show you the sale transaction. Parallelly, I'll show you transfer. So sell, I'll not sell, but I'll show you the sale transaction. Then I'll show you transfer. Scrapping, I'll show you. I'll not do the scrapping, but I'll show you. If you want, you can test it. And in between the reports also. This is our today's agenda. So the entire life cycle of the asset, let us go and see. We have already purchased TAR yesterday. I mean, master data has been created. Today we'll do the purchasing transaction. Okay. Purchase of asset. F-90 is the T code. Go to S4 HANA. So here, let us go to F-90. So I'll take the date as beginning of the month just to calculate our depreciation. You can buy any time, no problem. But I'm taking 01.10.2025. So BR70 is our company code. 01.10.2025. INR is the currency. So we are buying from vendor only. So vendor will be 31. This is the vendor. Amount I will take 1 lakh, 10 lakh rupees. Purchase of asset for admin purpose. Now the posting keys. We have to check the posting keys. So in asset, posting keys will be 70 for debit, 75 for credit. So this is the posting keys for asset. Okay. So when you are purchasing asset, debit will come inside, debit 70. What is the asset code that you are purchasing? So we are purchasing asset code as Mahendra Tar. Okay. So this is the asset, main asset, and this is the sub asset. Enter. Oh, in asset accounting, we have a transaction type. Transaction type will be 100. Give the 100 transaction type. Amount will be same amount. Quantity, one quantity. One quantity, enter. Text also I will copy. I will click on save button. I will just open the document. Okay. So now I will explain you accounting entry here. Normal entry. Normal asset entry when you are purchasing anything. Okay. What will be the normal asset entry? Debit what comes in? Asset account debit to credit the giver. Vendor account credit. This is the normal accounting entry, boss. But this is the normal accounting entry. Okay. This normal accounting entry is in ECC. If you are doing asset accounting in ECC, you will get normal accounting entry. This is ECC part. But in S4 HANA, we have technical clearing account. So the accounting entry in S4 HANA, that is asset account will be debit to technical clearing account credit. This is one entry. This is entry one. Now technical clearing account debit to vendor account credit. So same entry only, but you are getting technical clearing account in between, just like GRIR. So keep it in mute. So this is entry two. Entry one, entry two. This is one entry. This is second entry. Okay. So why SAP has given S4 HANA has given two entries means, so first one is called, the purpose of first one is, this is asset is a valuation part. Vendor document is a, vendor document will be operation part. So in S4 HANA, in ECC normal only, but in S4 HANA we have technical clearing account. The purpose of technical clearing account is to make the differences between valuation part and operation part. So asset is a valuation part, vendor is a operation part. If you display the document, if you go to accounting, asset accounting, you can observe there are two documents. This is the first document, this is the second document. So one document will be asset debit, technical clearing account credit. Here vendor credit, technical clearing account debit. Same thing, whatever I have explained you, that's what it is applicable. That's what it is applicable. Got it? So this is the accounting entry in S4 HANA. So if they are asking asset account in S4 HANA, what is the purchase entry means, you have to tell this entry. Both are same only. In between, we got technical clearing account. You can observe just like GRIR only. Okay. But it's a reconciliation account. Technical clearing account is a reconciliation account. Fine. Next, second, after purchase, display asset master AS03. AS03 is the asset master. This is the asset enter. And this is the asset, like quantity is updated. If you go down, your purchase date has been updated. And if you go to depreciation area, your depreciation start date also updated. When you purchase, automatically these values will be updated. Next, if you go to asset values here, this is a separate transaction. We have a code like AW01N. This is called Asset Explorer AW. Next one will be seventh one, sale of asset with profit. So I will be, uh, I have purchased this tar for 10 lakh rupees. I have used for 1 month. Now I am going to sell this. After 1 month usage, I am going to sell for again another 1 lakh. I am going to sell this for another 1 lakh. So suppose asset value is 10 lakh rupees. Depreciation is equal to how much? Do you remember the value? This is the depreciation. Okay. Now sale of asset also I'm selling for 10 lakhs. After 1 month usage, I'm selling for 10 lakhs. This month first I have purchased. Next month first I'm giving the asset. Okay, with same amount. So what is the profit here? Profit will be this amount. So 8493.15 is the profit. That's it, right? We are buying phone. We are using for 1 month. After 1 month, I am selling for same value. iPhone I purchased for 1 lakh rupees. I have used iPhone for 1 month. Okay. Again, I am selling to my friend for same 1 lakh rupees. Okay. So in that case, I'm getting profit, right? Whatever 1 month usage that I have done, that is my profit. So this will be your profit. So with these conditions, let us we know this manually since we know the business, we know this. But how SAP is calculating, how SAP is posting the documents, we need to see. Everything will be done automatically in SAP. Okay, let me show you that part. Okay, to sale of asset with profit, F-92 is the T code. Okay, I will go to F-92 sale of asset. So document date. When I am selling on 31st 10 2025. 31st 10 2025. So you can enter the reference if needed, no problem. I'm selling to the customer. Who is my customer? My customer is Reliance Industries. You can create any customer, but whatever customer I have, I will be using it. Enter. I am selling for another same 10 lakhs. Okay. When I am selling, I'll get revenue, right? Whether you are selling for profit or loss, that's different part. But what you are getting revenue. So enter the revenue GL account. Revenue GL account SAP doesn't know. You have to enter manually. Revenue GL account is 3 series. Asset sale revenue account. Select this. Enter. Now amount. Okay. Amount you can start, no problem. So when you are retiring, it will ask you the asset retirement button. Select this. Press enter. Which asset, boss? Asset number is 10,000. And transaction type. For every asset transaction, the type is mandatory. SAP is taking automatically. 210 is the transaction. Asset value date. So I am giving this asset. I'm I'm using complete month. I'll hand over it on the beginning of the month. It's a complete retirement. Okay. Now overview. Mountain symbol means it's like a overview. We can sit on my mountain and we can see it completely. That was the strategy. Click this. Go to the asset accounting button. Verify the entry. Now I'll decode. I will debug or I will decode it. Okay. So what I will do, I'll write this entry here. When you are selling, customer account debit 110 lakh rupees. 2. Sales revenue account credit 10 lakh rupees. So this accounting I told you during FB70, I told you during O2C cycle VF01, same accounting entry. Hope you are clear. Okay. So customer account, sales revenue account, same. Now, depreciation entry at the time of depreciation, the depreciation was debit, right? And accumulated depreciation was credit, right? This should be reversed. Whatever depreciation that you have done, that should be reversed. So accumulated depreciation account should be reversed. Reverse means debit. Here it is credit, right? Now it should be debit because you are selling your asset. Debit how much? This is the amount. Accumulated depreciation should be reversed. Next, when you are purchasing asset, you received how much? When you purchased an asset value was 10 lakhs you have debited. Now when you are selling, your asset will go out. So asset value should be minus. Okay. To asset asset account. Asset account or asset purchase account. Credit. Or you can say this purchase account as APC account. APC means acquisition production cost. This account also you can say, no problem. Your wish. You can say asset purchase account or APC account, your wish. Whatever you are, don't get confused. Whatever you are comfortable, you can use that. Sale means when you buy a asset, 10 lakhs came inside. Now you are selling the 10 lakh asset is going outside. Okay. Again, 10 lakhs. Now you got a profit, right? Profit is always debit or credit. Profit is credit, loss will be debit. So to profit on sale of asset will be credit. Profit will be credit. Minus 8493.15. Now to adjust your accounting entry, SAP has given to nullify your accounting entry, to nullify your profitability, SAP has given clearing account. So asset sale clearing account debit. This is the accounting entry. This is the accounting entry, boss. Okay. Same. This is the accounting entry. It is not easy to you for you to understand in one go, but you have to create in SAP. You have to see it. So create with different values, sell after with high profits, high losses. So if you do multiple times, if you spend your time, this is the decoding line by line. I have clearly explained you. With this, you can become a pro in asset accounting. Okay. If you know this next level, whatever the other things we can focus. But if we don't know this, how can we focus on other things? Okay. This is the basic. Let's do this. Same thing is here. You can see asset account debit, asset. Okay. Wait. Customer account will be debit. Revenue will be credit. Okay. Asset is going outside. So again, it is credit. Accumulated depreciation is debit. Clearing account is debit. Profit on asset sale will be debit, credit. So profit, same thing. Whatever I have explained you, it came here. If you directly see in SAP, you may not able to understand. So I have decoded everything here. Okay. Now what I will do, I will show you another entry. Sale of asset with Coming to this is the customer. Sale value will be 9,50,000. Posting key will be 50. Sales revenue account. Amount, same amount. Asset retirement. Asset number. Asset value date. Next month beginning. So till 1 month completely I'm utilizing that asset. Enter. Overview. Asset accounting button. Now let us identify the accounting entry. How to identify the accounting entry? Same. Customer, sales revenue. Okay, one by one I'll go with easy understanding. When you are selling, customer will be debit. Same. Customer how much? Not 10 lakhs. You are selling for 9,50,000. So customer will be debit for 9,50,000. Revenue also you are getting credit, but revenue also will be decreased. Revenue will be same 9,50,000.